In this video, we will see about installing Python, and we will also see about Python shell and IDLE. So to install Python, open any browser and search for Python. Open the first link, python.org. So you will get in the downloads tab, you will get the download Python link, and it is the Windows version. If you are using Linux or Mac, you have to download that appropriate version. So after clicking the download Python, the same thing will get downloaded. So once downloaded, click it to start the installation process. So I have already installed. You just press install button. There will be an install button. Press install button and it will be automatically installed. So after completing the installation, in the start menu, type Python and you will get Python app. Python 3.14 is the latest version. Just click that. So you will get the Python shell. This is known as Python shell. You can see the 3 arrow marks here and a prompt here asking for the commands. So this is a Python shell. We can write Python programs here to execute. For example, print hello. And if you press enter, it will give the output. Similarly, 3 plus 2, the Python interpreter will decode and execute the expressions. But the problem here is you are not able to save your code, or you are not able to go back to the written code and change it. So actually Python shell is used to what we can say, it is used to run or test short piece of codes instantaneously. So that's the use of Python shell. So in order to write a Python program, a complete Python program, and to save and to edit in future, you need IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So in start menu, just search for IDLE. If you install the Python, it will also come here. You can see IDLE Python. So open it. So this is Python IDLE. Again, here you can see 3 arrow marks and it resembles the shell. So this is a shell in Python IDLE also. The home page is shell, Python shell. You can see here IDLE shell. So here also if you type the commands, you will get the answer like this. So these are Python shell. The problem of Python shell is you cannot go back to this print and change this. And also you cannot save it for future updation. So in IDLE, you have some menus here. You can see here, file menu, edit menu, shell, debug, etc. So in the file menu, just open the new file. You can see a notepad kind of window. So here you can type your Python program. For example, a equal to 3. When you press enter, it will not execute. So after completing the program and saving it, then we can run the complete program. B equal to 5. Print a plus b. So before running, you have to save this. So we can save it in anywhere. So sample program. So I have already saved it in another name. So I have saved it as sample program.py, where py is the Python extension. And now we can run. In the run module, click run module. So it will go back to the shell and it will execute the answer. You can see here. So in the shell menu, you can restart the shell. So restarting the shell means it will clear all the values. That means, for example, if A is 3 and B is equal to 5, and if sum, we are assigning sum as A plus B, and if we are going to print sum, you will get sum as 8. If I print A, I will get it as 3. But if I restart the shell, and now if I print A, it will show error, because all the values assigned to the variables are cleared by restarting the shell. So that's the purpose of restarting the shell. So when you open new file, you will get a new interactive window to write the complete Python program and save it and then run it. So this is Python IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment.